Bluey and Bingo raced into the garden shouting, "Let's explore today!" Their paws kicked dirt, ears bouncing, tails wagging like crazy. Suddenly the bushes rustled hard. Out popped a small rabbit, fur white, eyes shining. Bluey gasped, "A bunny?" Bingo whispered, "So cute! Could surprise burst this quick?" The rabbit hopped fast across the grass, zigzagging sharp. Bluey barked, "Chase it!" Bingo darted after, paws flying. The rabbit leapt over stones, slipped under fences, sprinted like lightning. Could speed amaze this much? Coco and Snickers joined in, shouting, "Catch the bunny!" Muffin tripped over a stick, rolled, stood up laughing, "He's too fast." Socks yipped, spinning in circles. Everyone ran wild, voices loud, hearts pounding. Could teamwork feel this chaotic? The rabbit stopped by a tree, ears twitching. Suddenly, poof, it vanished. Bluey skidded to a halt. Where'd it go? Bingo spun around. It disappeared. Coco gasped, "Magic bunny? Could mystery shock this strong?" Leaves fluttered above. The rabbit was in the tree. Bluey shouted, "How can a rabbit climb?" Snickers honked his toy car horn, "Impossible." Bingo wagged, "Not for this bunny." Everyone howled in disbelief. Could wonder shine this bright? Then the rabbit leapt down, landing perfect, nose twitching, eyes glowing. It dropped a shiny golden carrot on the ground. Bluey whispered, "Treasure?" Bingo picked it up, glowing in her paws. Muffin squealed, "Magical snack." The rabbit thumped its paw and hopped away. Could gifts appear this strange? They carried the golden carrot to the porch. Bandit and Chilli stared in shock. "Where did you get that?" Bluey shouted, "A rabbit gave it." Bingo nodded, "He's our friend now." Everyone laughed, cheered, danced around the glowing prize. Could joy fill this big? As the sun set, the carrot sparkled bright, and Bluey looked at you, tail wagging. If you ran, shouted, and believed in the magic bunny with us, smash like, subscribe, and join our next crazy adventure. Maybe you will find the next treasure.